Welcome to the power of nature, where you can witness terrifying and dangerous moments created by nature. Let's continue. Nature can amaze humans, but sometimes it can also be very frightening. Around the world, cameras have captured moments where ordinary people suddenly face the overwhelming power of nature. Floods, lightning strikes, landslides, massive tsunamis, and violent storms. These are moments when nature fights back.
Nossa, minha lanche foi parar outro carro!
The danger began when these people were moving through a ravine and encountered a flash flood carrying mud and rocks. It would have been very dangerous if they hadn't escaped in time. Do you know the power of flash floods sweeping away mud and rocks? If not, look at this moment. Boulders weighing tons being carried away by the current. A sudden lightning strike, transforming a peaceful scene into a terrifying display of nature's power. The terrifying power of lightning spares nothing. Just watch. From boats and planes to cars, anything can become its target. It's frightening.
Wow, 原來茶哦！
Even pigs don't miss a thing. So if you're watching my video, be careful when going outside during a thunderstorm. It's best to stay indoors and limit going out.
Don't move. Don't move.
What are we doing?
Just stay.
Are you sure?
Just stay.
Are you sure we stay?
Yeah, just stay.
An entire hillside has collapsed. It's very dangerous for vehicles to travel on this road.
Open.
And then, a terrible landslide buried many people who were traveling on the road. Truly frightening, isn't it? Strong winds can create truly dangerous situations. The storms, with their destructive and devastating power, slammed into the city, a terror emanating from nature. The ocean suddenly rose with giant waves, forcing everyone to run for safety.
Selamat tole.
Đây này, ô tô đen ở dưới, xe dự ở
Ô tô đen không sao.
không, xe dưới bị anh ạ.
Dưới nữa bị á.
Xe dưới góc này này bị hai xe
Cứu người
bị.
nhanh, cứu người nhanh.
Có người không biết.
Có.
Thì đúng ô tô đi đây mà.
Strong winds pushed this giant old tree beyond its limits.
Cái xe đen kia
Not
kìa.
only was the tree blocked, unfortunate cars also suffered the consequences.
Anh ạ. Đúng rồi, chứ nó không phải đâu. Ầm một cái. Không, nó đổ rất từ từ ấy chị ạ. Em đang ngó. Lúc đấy em đang nhìn ra đây. Đây đang ngó mà.
Chị đứng ở đây chị không nhìn nhưng chị nghe thấy tiếng thì nó đánh gầm, nhưng bọn em đứng ngồi kia nhìn thấy.
Nhìn đằng kia thì nhìn nó từ từ thôi.
Báo tên. Ey, wir haben Futter. Der Pause ist offen. Das ist nur der Schuppen, es ist nur der Schuppen, es ist nur der Schuppen.
The relentless rains, lasting for hours, have turned the rivers into dangerous waterways. Some storms are so powerful that they can completely change the landscape. The sky glowed continuously as lightning flashed throughout the night. Don't take your eyes off your device. Watch this terrifying thunderstorm. These magical moments remind us that nature is both beautiful and dangerous. No matter how advanced we become, we remain powerless against its greatest forces. Which moment amazed you the most? Leave a comment below my video.